In 2003, music mogul Sean Diddy Combs hung a picture of himself over top of a building in downtown New York City. Underneath his photo, it said, "I run this city." Now that was a play on words because he had just finished running the New York Marathon, but he also was letting you know, I run New York. This is Baltimore, by the way. Beautiful Baltimore. But I love that, and it reminded me of something I read in this book. Can I read this to you? Watch this, you're gonna love this book. It says, when people want to convey that they are in control of a certain place or situation, we often hear them stated using the word run. Now that we are free, we must continue to exercise this same type of control of our own affairs. In other words, we gotta run it. This book has given me so much insight, and I wanna share it with you. You can find the description of the book and the link to it right in my bio. It's called Get Off the Cycle and Run. And as a matter of fact, you may know the author. So do me a favor, I'm gonna share more excerpts about this book. Thumbs up this video, click that link and get this book while it's on sale. You're gonna love it. Get off the cycle and run.